Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz? Enjoy a view of this gutsy Hyundai Santa Cruz, the stylish adventure utility vehicle that pairs composed comfort with high-tech capability. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, heated mirrors, alarm, heated front seat, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls. Feel up for the challenge in this highly versatile Santa Cruz. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.